So hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. Your content may already be surfacing for searches you never planned for. Not hypothetically, not someday, right now. And if you know how to spot these queries, you can use them to expand a page, strengthen topical coverage, and even increase your chances of showing up in AI overviews. Most SEO teams are still working from the old assumption that you ranked for the keyword you targeted. But Google is often doing something more interesting than that. It's expanding the query. For a long time, search has not been about matching one exact phrase to one exact page. Google has been getting better and better at understanding meaning. Now, with AI overviews and LLM-style search behavior reshaping the SERP, that semantic layer matters more than ever before, because the result page is no longer just a list of links. It's becoming a built-in answer. That answer includes related terms, contextual refinements, and supporting information that help someone make a decision. So if your page is only optimized for one narrow keyword, you may be missing how Google actually connects your content to a wider set of relevant searches. This is where query expansion matters. Google query expansion is the process of broadening a searcher's queries so Google can return better results. That can happen through synonyms, intent matching, and related topical associations. So someone may search with one phrase, but Google interprets the deeper meaning behind it and retrieves content that covers the content semantically, not just literally. That means your page can rank for terms that were never wrote down word for word. And that's the opportunity, because once you see those queries, you can strengthen the page around them instead of guessing what supporting content Google wants. So here's an example. Let's say you have an article about backyard chicken aid care. Someone searches for what's the average lifespan of chicken. Your page shows up, but you never use the word lifespan in the article. That tells you Google has already made a semantic connection between your page and the query. Now you have a decision to make. You can ignore it, or you can add a section about chicken lifespan support to support the exact query. Google is really associating your page and give that URL a better chance of ranking even more strongly for that term. So that's not keyword stuffing. That's following Google's own relevant signal. And the same thing applies to B2B, e-commerce, SaaS, local SEO, pretty much everything. The article gives another example from a trucking page, a page about tandem versus spread axles were surfacing for tandem truck meaning. Even though that phrase clearly is included in the content. The page already ranked first, but it wasn't included in AI overviews for that specific query. That gap is the story. Because it suggests the page had enough relevance to rank traditionally, but not enough supporting coverage to become a part of AI-generated answer or AI overview that is called. The practical takeaway here is, how do you actually use this? Start in Google Search Console, go to Performance, then click Search Results, filter by specific page, hold the full query list, sort by impressions. Now look for the queries you never intentionally targeted. Look for synonyms. Look for question-based searches. Look for broader or adjacent phrases that clearly relate to the topic. Then ask one question: is this a real expansion opportunity, or is Google stretching this page into territory it doesn't actually satisfy? That is a big part of this that matters, because not every unexpected query is a gift. Some are a warning that your content is too close or misaligned with the promise. But when the query is relevant, that's where things get interesting. You expand the page with supporting sections, related questions, and adjacent content that strengthens the topic instead of diluting it. That's how you move from I targeted a keyword to I own more of the topic. So the idea here is to own as much of the topic as possible. And in the age of AI overviews, the broader topical strength matters even more, because AI systems pull from pages that help them assemble a complete answer. So your query expansion data reveals supporting subtopics that also appear with AI-generated overviews, that's a strong clue about what to add next. The quiet shift in SEO right now is this. You do not always need to guess what related content to create. Sometimes Google is already showing you the content you need to create. In your impressions, in your unexpected queries, and phrases your page is already relevant enough to own. If you treat those signals seriously, query expansion becomes more than a technical SEO concept. It becomes a content strategy tool that helps you grow traditional rankings, strengthen semantic coverage, and improve your odds of being included wherever search is turning to answers. So the final word here is that I made a ton of videos about how to do this. Specifically not this, but how to improve your topical coverage. Go back, watch those videos because it goes into detail on how to improve your topical coverage. In the next video, I'll make a video showing you how to find these opportunities from within the Google Search Console, from within Google Search, and then capitalizing on them to expand your topical authority so that you're ranking for more keywords and owning the topic rather than just trying to own the keyword. So hope you guys liked the video. Like and subscribe as always. Leave a comment below if you have a question. As always, if you're looking for someone to do SEO for you, yours truly is just one message away. And I will see you in the next video. Happy ranking.